So we have a Dell Latitude laptop. When you press the power button on it, all you can see is 2 amber and 3 white. So let's find out why it's doing this. I'm going to power it off completely. And open the back cover. Using a spudger. This is Dell Latitude 5520, but it will work with, all kind of Dell laptops. Well, most of the Dell laptops. So, just to be sure there's no screws in there, so we're gonna put in a stick of RAM. And let's try again. Okay, charge is in, charging. Let's press the power button. Looks like solid light. Fingers crossed. We should get display. Still waiting. Come on, Dell. One, 2, 3. Okay, let's start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Come on. Why isn't it showing any display? There you go. We are in. Please like and subscribe if you don't mind. Yeah, we're all good now.